Hey Butch, how you doing?
Good, great.
Okay, well, about a month ago we did the Intracept procedure, and looks like you're doing fantastic, right?
Right from the get-go.
That's pretty incredible.
Yeah, feel
Now,
great.
you've had back problems for many years.
Oh yeah.
You go to, it takes about 15 years, and you've had
To you, but before I even moved down to Florida,
right,
I was going to chiropractors and I had broken my back and. So,
right, and then eventually you needed some fusion surgery, and then a second fusion surgery, and then we had to put we even put a spacer in for your
Yes.
stenosis, and then you were kind of doing okay after all these other procedures, but about a year ago you developed a lot of pretty severe back
Yeah.
pain.
The lower back was.
And what sort of symptoms, what were you having difficulty doing? Was it sitting and driving and standing and walking?
All of the above. I could only do so much of each thing.
Mm-hmm.
Even when I was sitting and watching TV, I have to get up and walk around. Driving the car, grocery store and back was about it. I couldn't go.
And your pain was like between a 7 and a 9, and it
Oh,
was
yeah.
pretty constant, and it was, you basically couldn't escape it.
No, I wasn't getting.
How about
used-
lying down? Was that at least somewhat better?
Well, certain positions were okay, but I didn't sleep a lot.
Even that, it affected you. So you were just miserable.
Hello?
Yeah,
Yes.
you were miserable. So he had fusions at 4 and 5.
Yes.
And I noticed that on his MRI he had some modic changes, some changes in the color of the vertebrae, which meant that there was some inflammation and pain sensors which were being activated there. And I said, we should try the Intracept procedure. Let me denervate those vertebrae above and below the fusion.
Yeah.
And you said that we did it about a month ago, and you said it worked pretty immediately, huh?
I woke up,
And
and
you
when
were
they
pretty
started to
pain-free,
get
right?
dressed, I said, and they said, how are you feeling? I said, wonderful. I don't have any pain at all.
And that was miserable pain for a year, and you didn't even need any pain medicines. I
No.
thought you said you didn't. Even, so it really wasn't a painful procedure,
No.
but it was effective. Now, not everybody gets as quick pain relief as Butch did, because normally I expected about a month to be 30-40% better, but I mean, you hit a home run, so that's really wonderful.
Yeah, it is. It is a home run.
Okay, so what can you do now that you couldn't do before?
Everything.
Wow, so it's really made a
Yeah,
huge difference in your life.
I finally got, I don't go to the gym anymore, but I use the bands,
Mm-hmm.
and I was
Just
doing
keep up your
that,
strength. Good, that's good.
and squats.
Mm-hmm. Wow.
My thighs get sore, but my back doesn't get sore
Wow.
anymore.
So
Yeah.
it's really changed your life. Well, that's,
Yeah, it was
that's-
life changing.
that's incredible.
Yeah.
So I'm glad we were able to help you with that.
Thank you.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you.
Yeah.